sound. So fourth heart sound, this is also a low pitched sound, and right, so usually we don't listen the fourth heart sound at all, right? This physiological S4, whatever you are hearing, it is never heard. Okay, so you will have physiological S3, but S4 is never physiological. If at all, if S4 is heard, it is always pathological. And what are the conditions where you'll have the pathological S4? Pathological S4, it is observed in case of the hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy, that is H, and O stands for the obstructive valvular pathologies, that is the aortic stenosis and as well as pulmonary stenosis, and C stands for the cardiac tamponade, right? And M stands for the myocardial infarction. So these are the conditions where you will have the pathological S4. These are the conditions where you will have pathological S4.